What are the requirements to install Google Play on my Hisense Smart TV?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be walking through the steps on how to install Google Play on your Hisense Smart TV. This will give you access to a variety of apps and content that can greatly enhance your entertainment experience.
What do I need before I begin?
Before we start, it's essential to note that not all Hisense Smart TVs support the Google Play Store. Your TV needs to be running on Android TV OS, as Google Play is not available for other operating systems like Roku or Vita. If your TV is an Android TV, you're good to go. If not, I'm afraid Google Play can't be installed on your TV. To check your TV's OS, go to the Settings menu and look under About or System Information.
Is Google Play already installed?
Google Play is typically pre-installed on Android TVs. Before going through the installation process, check to see if it's already on your Hisense TV. Go to the main menu, then Apps or App Store, and look for Google Play. If it's there, you can open it and sign in with your Google account. If it's not, then we'll need to install it.
How can I install Google Play?
Unfortunately, if Google Play isn't already installed on your Hisense Android TV, there's no direct way to download and install it. The TV system does not allow for this type of installation. If Google Play is missing, it might be due to a system error, and a factory reset might be required. Please remember that this will erase your personalized settings and installed apps. To perform a factory reset, 1. Go to Settings 2. Scroll down to System 3. Select Advanced 4. Finally, select Reset or Factory Reset. After the reset, your TV should reboot with the default apps, including Google Play. In summary, Google Play can only be installed on Hisense Smart TVs running the Android TV OS, and it should come pre-installed. If it's missing, a factory reset might be necessary. We hope this guide has been helpful and you're now more knowledgeable about how Google Play works on Hisense Smart TVs. Happy viewing!